Let me tell you guys a true story that thousands of Nigerians secretly relate to. Do you understand? Now, a young man once told me, he said, I was earning 120,000 per month, but every month he felt poorer. You know why? Because the day his salary dropped, the dollar rose, and instantly everything he earned becomes smaller. The price of food went up, transport went up, even rent also, school fees, even the water that you drink, they also increase. He also said, I'm working very hard, but the money is working against me. That night, he made a decision that changed everything. And he told himself, if the economy won't favor me, I will shift to a currency that will. And within a month, guys, this guy was making a whooping $200. Then from $200, 500, 1,000. All from Nigeria. He didn't travel anywhere, no visa, no relocation, just a skill, an internet, and also consistency. And he also said something that really struck me. He said, $1 saved me more than 1,000 naira ever did. So if you're watching this video if you're watching this video today, you are watching this video or this video comes to you because you want to earn in dollar, to escape the instability, build real income, support your family, gain financial confidence, and break free from stress, then you need to stay with me to the end of this video. Because today, I'm going to show you guys the practical way Nigerians can actually earn in dollar, starting from zero experience. Guys, let's dive in. Now, number one, you need to know why Nigerians must earn in dollars. Now, let me be honest with you guys. There is only one reason to earn in dollar in Nigeria. That is stability. And stability brings predictable income, higher earning, protection from inflation, the ability to save, the freedom to invest, the intentional opportunities. So when you earn in dollar, 100K is no longer a salary to you. And it is also spending money. Now, mind you that $200 becomes your 320 naira, you understand, 1,000, you understand? And also $500 becomes your, you understand? The same skill that gives you that 20K locally can also give you $150 intentionally. So the mathematics is too sweet to ignore. Now let us break down how you can actually earn in dollar consistently living in Nigeria. Number one of it is through digital skills. That is the foundation. So for you to earn in dollar, you must offer something very valuable and also intentionally. Now, these are the easiest skills for beginners in Nigeria. You can start with Canva design by maybe creating flyers, ebooks, logo, thumbnail, brochures. You can also go into short form video editing, Reels, TikTok, YouTube, and Shorts. You can also go into smudge art and digital portrait, which is also in a high demand globally. You can also go into virtual assistants, maybe your calendar management, emails, admin tasks, and all of that. You can start, creating thumbnail designs for people. This is also in a huge demand, especially for YouTubers worldwide. You can go into social media management by posting, content planning, engagement. Now, these are the things you can actually start as a Nigerian. Now, where can you find clients that can actually patronize you in any of these? You can actually find clients in Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, Instagram DM Reach, LinkedIn, then YouTube creators, and also TikTok creators. You don't need a laptop for most of these, actually. All you need is your phone, an internet, and also your dollars at the end of it all. Now, you can actually go into selling digital products. That is another side hustle you can actually start as a Nigerian. And this is my favorite. I always say it in my video. It is my favorite, you understand? Because you earn in dollars. You know why? You create a product once in your life and it sells forever for you. You understand? Products Nigerian can actually sell globally include planner, printable art, children activity sheet, wedding template, digital portrait journal, Notion template, ebooks guide, resume templates, and also business forms. Now, where can you sell these whole things? You can sell them in ST, Gumroad, PayHill, and Shopify. You understand? You don't need customer service. The platform already handles the delivery. All you need is creativity and persistence. Trust me, people in the US, UK, Canada, Australia, they pay in dollars for things you can actually create on your phone. Yes. Now, number 4 method you can actually go in is YouTube with or without your face. You can start a faceless YouTube channel. Now, YouTube is the most powerful dollar-making machine on earth. Yes, you can earn from access, affiliate links, sponsored ads, digital product sales, YouTube automation, faceless videos, and also your short monetization. Trust me, channels can start without, like you can start YouTube channel without showing your face. You can start into maybe motivational, storytelling, travel, tech, tutorial, cooking, finance, celebrity, documentaries, and productivity. YouTube pays in dollars, and once your video is uploaded, it earns forever. Trust me, this is a real, like it's a digital real estate. That is it. Now, number 5 side hustle you can actually start is your drop shipping services. This is secret method that smart Nigerians are using. I once did a drop shipping at some point in my life. In fact, I'm still doing it right now because I'm still selling my shoes online. I don't have any physical shop. You understand? You can sell a service, but someone else does the work for you. For example, if you charge a client $70 for a design and you pay someone $25, you can keep $45 yourself. This can actually work for logo design, video editing, voiceover, thumbnail, website design, transcription, and also Instagram content. Do you understand? Now, why is this perfect for Nigeria? You need to understand. No skill is required. You are simply a middleman, and it is a stress-free something. And also, it earns in dollar, and you can scale very, very fast. Trust me, this model creates wealth very, very fast. So let me tell you guys the truth. Nigeria is very tough at this point in time, and the currency is not friendly. It is not your friend. But you don't have to stay stuck. You have to suffer. Like you don't need to suffer it. Okay. You don't have to rely on one income. You don't have to wait for opportunities. The opportunity is already in your hands, your phone, your mind, and your willingness to learn. Trust me, dollar income is not for special people. It's not. So it is for anyone that is willing to take that first step. Your breakthrough is not 10 years, away from now. It might be on one skill away. It might be on one product away, one client, or one decision away that you make. So you need to start now. Start today. Your future self will actually thank you later. So if this is the first time of coming across my channel, thank you very much. Don't forget to like this video. Go down to the comment section and type, "I'm ready to earn in dollar." Subscribe to this channel, share this video, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our weekly digital income service video. See you guys in my next video.